Pocket AI. Today we're going to review an app called Pocket AI, and so some of you are into AI trading platforms. I think you have come across Pocket AI. Okay, so we're going to see how you use this app and cons and pros. Should you trust this app? Is it legit? This app is legit. Okay, so but we're going to see what you have to actually be aware of, because this is trading. Trading is risky. People lose, others gain. Okay, so but generally the app is legit, and for me personally, what I can say why I love about this app is their customer care. There are a few apps which actually you find almost a reply to every complaint. This is a very good sign that the really app means business. Almost every complaint on their reviews on their Play Store, there is actually a they're trying to reply to every complaint, and these are not just actually automated replies. They actually reply to every complaint. So at least you are aware if there is something which is not really going fine, you can. The support is there to actually reach out. So that is one of the things that I have to really look into, because apps really have issues, especially after upgrades. So customer care with Pocket AI, I believe you can easily find it by writing a review on their Play Store if you can't really find them anywhere. And they're a bit actually responsive. The app looks like this. I believe it's not really so congested. It's easy to understand. And on the picture on the left side, there's your profile pic. You can actually click on it. This is just my demo account, and this is my demo email. I was trying to check out some few things. And on your menu, there is finance. Under finance, you can do deposit, you can do withdrawals. Okay, I believe this is one of the main menus that you have to actually be aware of. Okay, depositing depends on where you're coming from. Okay, where I'm coming from, I have these. I have Airtel, I have MTN. I can do Binance and all that stuff. When I go for withdrawals, I believe even withdrawals you can do the same. Okay, now the minimum is around like $10 if you're going to really withdraw that money, and that is it. Okay, you can check out other sections and all that stuff. The app is actually looks simple. Looking at the reviews, okay, looking at the reviews, someone says I invested in like $20 and I ran a few, trading more like you're making profit, but not as much as you invested. Okay, this one is saying this is a hoax, but they reply to him. I transferred the money, it didn't reflect. It was there in dollars where I need it in naira. So they told him like you can actually change the currency even if you have credited the money. So just as I told you, like there are complaints, but there's some bad reviews, but these guys are responsive. They try to actually to reply to someone, and I see most of the people who have been replied, they actually, I think they sort them out. Okay. I deposited like $5 in my account. It didn't show up. I tried customer care, but I asked for proof of payment. So this is important. Maybe when you're paying with something, make sure maybe you stay with an SMS or something, that in case maybe a payment doesn't reflect, you can easily actually tell them, you know what, this is what I use. So make sure you keep actually a receipts of your payment, for your payment proof in case you're depositing money. Okay, Jerry, I find Pocket AI actually be cool, and their support system is really good. Let me know how much you have earned from this app. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in app reviews like this. See you in the next video.